Good morning, students. Today we will learn about Civics, Unit 4, Forms of Government. Introduction. Government is the main agency of the state. It comprises of several members belonging to political and administrative wings. It serves as the instrument for delegation and execution of the state policies for the welfare of the people. There are three organs in the government, namely legislature, executive, and judiciary. These organs carry out the activities of the state. Let us see the lesson. What is government? Government refers to the executive functions of the state. It denotes the body having authority to make and enforce laws applicable to the civil, corporate, religious, academic, or other groups. Next topic, types of constitution. Unitary form of government, federal form of government, parliamentary form of government, the presidential form of government. Next topic, unitary form of government. What is unitary form of government? A unitary system of government or unitary state is a sovereign state governed as a single entity. Example, England, France, Japan, and Sri Lanka. Merits and demerits. Merits. Suitable for small countries, there is no conflict of authority and responsibility. A unitary government is less expensive. Amendments to the constitution are easy. Demerits. It is not suitable for big countries. The central government will not concentrate on local problems, local interest, and initiative. Next, unitary features of the Indian Constitution. Strong center, single constitution, flexibility of the constitution, emergency provinces, single citizenship, and all India services, etc. Next topic, federal form of government. What is federal form of government? A federal government is one in which powers are divided between the national government and the regional governments by the constitution itself, and both operate in their respective jurisdictions independently. Example, USA, Switzerland, Australia, Canada. Next, merits and demerits. Merits. Division of power between center and states leads to administrative efficiency. It gives rise to big states. Distribution of powers check the despotism of central government, more suitable for bigger countries. Next, demerits. Federal government is weaker when compared to the unitary government. Federal government is more expensive. Provincial tendencies are very common. Lack of uniformity in administration. Threat to national unity. Next, federal features of the Indian Constitution. Dual government, written constitution, division of powers, supremacy of the constitution. Next topic, parliamentary form of government. The parliamentary system of government is the one in which the executive is responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts. The parliamentary government is also known as cabinet government or responsible government. Example, Britain, Japan, Canada, and India. Next, features of parliamentary form of government. Nominal and real executives, majority party rule, collective responsibility, dual membership. Merits of the parliamentary form of government. Harmony between legislature and executive, responsible government, prevents dictatorships, wide representation. Demerits, unstable government, no continuity of policies, dictatorship of the cabinet, against separation of powers. Next topic, the presidential form of government. What is presidential form of government? The presidential form of government is also known as non-parliamentary or fixed executive system of government, basically built on the principle of separation of power, and is prevalent in the USA, Brazil, Russia, and Sri Lanka, among others. Next, features of presidential form of government. The president as the head of state, he occupies a ceremonial position. The president is elected by an electoral college for a fixed tenure for 4 years. Merits of the presidential system of government. Democratic, effective control by the president, facilitate decision making, state government. Demerits of the presidential system of government can degenerate into dictatorship, strained relationship between executive and legislature, lack of harmony between the legislature and executive. Next topic, difference between the parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. First, presidential form of government. President is directly elected by the people. Parliamentary form of government, prime minister is from the majority party. Next, president is supreme. Central legislature is supreme. Separation of powers, absence of separation powers, centralization, independent branches with overlapping functions. President, head of the state. President, head of the state. President, head of the government. Prime Minister, head of the government. Individual leadership, collective leadership. President is not accountable to Congress. Collective and individual responsibility. Thank you, students.